You want a piece of gum?
No.
Here. Take a piece of gum.
No.
Come on, take a piece.
No.
It's good for you. Look, it's double mint. Here, you want a piece of gum?
Oh, I'll take a piece of gum. Thank you. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Is it really shocking?
I don't think so.
God!
I don't want it. It's not a taser. What are you doing?
Eat your gum.
In the face.
You need
the
to
face.
discuss this with Mimi. I didn't get this for you.
Beanie.
Well, you're the fool that grabbed it.
This is too dangerous for society.
All
Needs to be
right.
kept away. It's like that time I tried that maze and it scared me at the end. All that hard work for just a scary little face.
All right. Well, happy birthday.
Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Salinger's playing with his toy.
I'm gonna tell you this is sad.